Hello? Hello? Okay, I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today is 11, this is 6th of November. I want us to start off with the chart on my screen. We are having a very good resistance zone. We have a very good resistance zone here. So this is around 1.07527. The one line at the bottom is 1.07468. So as long as the price does not, this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. We'll just be waiting to see what happens. If the price goes up and touches this zone, we will be expecting the sellers to come in from around that area to push price downwards up to around 1.06778. So expect a sell when the price comes to that point. If that level is broken, then we do expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to the level which I've mentioned. This line, 1 second. So if the price ascends above that level, the next zone is actually this one here, which is 1.08058. That's the line at the top. This is also another one. So we have this zone. If the price goes and touches it, that should give us the best place to look for a sell from. The other chart I want us to have a look at is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, the price is also bullish. We have a very good uptrend. So we are looking at this resistance zone as a good place to look for a sell from. We have another resistance, this one. So if the price goes up and touches this zone, if it doesn't break above it, that should give us the best place to look for a sell from back towards 1.2823310. So look for a sell within these two lines, within this red zone, this long red zone, expecting that the sellers will push it downwards with the target at this price. If this is broken, then expect the price to continue upwards, at least after this level here. So that should be my opinion on the US dollar Japanese yen, on GBP, sorry. So I want us to look at the US dollar Japanese yen. We have it here. This has been bearish for some time. So we've seen the price continue to move to the lower side. We are now looking for a continuation even further to the lower side. But first of all, we want to see a break below this line. So the idea here is to expect that if the price descends below this line, 149.243, then that will be a good place to consider looking for more sell positions from, at least up to this zone. If this is broken, then the next zone is this one here. So expect that if the price descends below this level, it should continue downwards up to the next level, which is this one. If this is broken, the next level is this one. So even though we are sellers, we're not going to be looking for sells immediately. We want first of all to see a breakout below this line. If the price does that, then the next target is this one. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. So that should be my opinion on that chart. The other chart is gold. With gold so far, gold is upwards. So we expect that if the price bounces off from around this zone, this green zone, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. But if the price descends below it, then the next target is this line here. So we temporarily are ignoring this zone. You can see it. We are ignoring this zone. This is 1973.10. The other one is 1954.37. So temporarily, we are going to be ignoring this zone. As long as the price does not descend below it, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So that's my opinion on gold. This is how it looks on the daily time frame. It still looks good, that if the price goes up to this point, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. The other chart is Brent oil. With Brent oil so far, we are only looking at this zone. We are focusing on this zone here, we have 84.443. The other one is 83.140. If the price moves down and touches this zone, if it does not break and close below it, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. We will be expecting that the buyers will be coming in from around this zone back towards this level, which is this is 92.553. The other one is 94.674. So we are going to look for a buy from around this area, at least up to this point. If this is broken, then we expect the price to continue much higher. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is upwards. So on this chart, technically, we are having a very good sell place where the price is right now. So you can see here we have a very good place to be looking for a sell from. As long as the price does not ascend above it, this is going to be the best place to look for a sell from. We will expect the sellers to come in strongly and push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So basically speaking, there is nothing much except for a sell on this one. If we don't sell it here, we can wait and sell it somewhere here. If we don't sell it there, we can wait and sell it at the line at the top. So we can wait and sell it here, or we can wait and sell it somewhere here. Or we may wait and look for a buy here, or we may also wait and look for a buy here, or this zone here. So that's my opinion on that chart. I want us to look at Bitcoin. With Bitcoin so far, it looks like the price is massively in an uptrend. So we are looking for more buy positions. For the first time, you can see that the price has actually gone beyond the zone we were looking for a sell from previously. So we had a very good resistance place. This is why we are looking for a sell position. You can see that the price actually broke above it some 3 weeks ago. So as it is right now, we are still on the buyer's side. We just want to see a retracement back towards this level to pick a buy position, expecting that the buyers will push us upwards, at least up to this point, which is this zone. So technically speaking, you should be looking for sell positions if the price goes, you should be looking for buy positions if the price goes and touches this level. If it does not break below it, then pick a buy order at least up to this zone here. If this is broken, the next target is this one. So basically speaking, we are buyers. I don't recommend a sell on this chart unless the price again descends below 308.03.30. So if the price goes below this point, expect it to continue downwards up to around this level. If that is broken, the next level is this one. If that is broken, the next level is this one here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.